up, guys? So it's been a few days since I dropped my truck off at the body shop. Should be making some progress by now. I can't wait to get it back. In the meantime, I'm gonna be working on this guy over here. I'm gonna try to get my fuel system buttoned up today, and I got a turbo Hotside from my buddy Cody that I'm gonna try to install. And if all goes good, I'm gonna have a turbo turd by the end of this video. I got most of my fittings mocked up on here. I got this adapter with the fuel pressure sensor, this 90. This one's probably gonna run from here to right here to the straight. Then this one's gonna probably do a loop in the hose and come back to this 180. See, I got the Y in here that I need to run the 2/8 off of to feed the back of the rails. And I still have this bracket in the way from my old nitrous setup. I had the Magna Fuel distribution log mounted here. So I got to take this thing apart a bit and cut this thing off so I can continue on. See, the returns coming off the bottom of the regulator is going to be this 45 right here. I'm just going to tie wrap it to the 10 feed line and send it back. Got the straight hose ends. And I'm going to tuck under the intake. This is all the harness from my old MSD setup. I'm going to get that out of there as soon as I can. But yeah. Got to cut that bracket off, and then I guess I'm going to start assembling some hoses. I got most of the fuel system done. I've been building AN hose for like the last few hours. While I was doing that, my friend Mauricio lent me a hand and started bolting on my exhaust manifolds. So now I gotta cut out this inner fender over here to make space for the turbocharger. We already removed the alternator, got the manifolds on. I'll show you now. But hopefully I'll be able to sit the turbo in this thing today. It would be really nice. Finished cutting this big ass hole in my car and tried to fit up this Hotside, and it ain't happening because it's designed to wrap around the frame rail over here, and my buddy's car that I got it from had an FC subframe swap, so he didn't have these bars, so the crossover is hitting that bar. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. I'm probably gonna have to start from scratch. I don't even know. Well, I got defeated by the turbo kit Hotside. I'm gonna have to probably fabricate a new crossover pipe. So I didn't get as much done today as I wish I would have been able to, but I am happy that I got some progress done on my fuel system. That's almost done. I just gotta plumb up from the sump to the pumps, and from the pumps to the filter. So that's gonna be done soon. Yeah, next time I work on this, I'll videotape some more to show you guys what's up. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.